Welcome back. Here we have a simple series circuit. We have a current through the circuit, a voltage source, and two resistors. I would like to find the voltage across R2. I would like to find the current through R2. So if I would like to find that, I know that Ohm's law states that V is equal to I times R. I know from that equation, we can call that 1. So 2, we can say that I is equal to V divided by R. You can say 3, R is equal to V divided by I. I know from experience that I, as the current through the circuit, is equal to the current, well, the current from the source current is equal to the current through R2. I can prove that by saying that IS is equal to the voltage source divided by the total resistance of the circuit, which would be R1 plus R2. If that's the case, if IS is equal to IR2, I can say that IR2 is equal to the voltage across R2 divided by the resistance R2. If these two equations are true, I can then go ahead and put them together. I can say that ES divided by R1 plus R2 is equal to V R2 divided by R2. Now, that gives me that V R2 is equal to, and we can just write it like this, combine like terms. So that would be R1 plus R2 times ES. So that now become equation 4. So my 4 equations are 1, from Ohm's law, V is equal to I times R, or the two most important equation I should say is equation 1, which is V equals I times R, and equation 4, which equals the voltage across a resistor. We're going to just say Rx is equal to Rx divided by R1 plus Rx times the voltage source. So those are the two main equations that I could use to evaluate the circuit. So in essence, if I know the voltage across a resistor, I can know the current and I can know the resistance. From the Ohm's law equation, I then can find equation 2 and equation 3. So here's my question. If R1 is equal to 2 ohms and R2 is equal to 4 ohms and IS is equal to question sign and VS is equal to 6 volts. Find IS, find the power across R2, find the voltage across R2, and find the power of VS. And drop it in the comment section and let me know how you get it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.